Okay, we're playing the iPad with barking noises and she's really freaking out. It's over there behind the coffee pot. She really doesn't. Oh my god. It sounds like it's coming from outside though. Star! What is it? What is it? Oh! Come on! Come on, dude! You don't have to be scared. Come on. Go! Go! Come on! Go get